Good morning. At least it is for me. So, I just wanted to do a really quick video here. So I just finished up my to-do list for today, and I just wanted to take everyone through a system that I use to rank different items in my to-do list. And this is actually something that you can also apply to something like an AGILE scrum set of tasks or stories or whatever word you want to use. So this is what my to-do list looks like. So just notice we have an item and then I have a letter with a number beside it, so like upload A1. So I don't need to bother you with the super specific details, but basically what I do is I rank each of my items for a given day based on this scale over here. So for A we have urgent, important. So that's going to be pretty much the first things you want to be doing in the day, just outside of any level of distraction. In fact, me making this video, I'm kind of stretching the rules a little bit, but you know, if I'm in the middle of it, it's just a natural thing for me to share the process. Then there's B level items. So these are things that are important, but you don't necessarily need to get done right away. So for example, one of my main B1 items is I'm taking a course in low-level C programming and sort of like computer circuits. So I've marked that as a B item because it is something I need to do every day, but it's not necessarily the first thing I want to do every day. I would rather use up most of my brain power coding my applications today in particular. Then we have C level items. So this is going to be urgent but not important. So this one's, you know, a little more open-ended, but for example, my desk is pretty damn dirty right now. There's just crap all over it, not literally, figuratively. And so something I would like to do at some point today would be to clean that thing. But if I don't get around to cleaning my desk, then my whole world isn't going to fall apart. And then finally we have D-level items, which I don't even really typically put them on my to-do list, but D-level items would be things that don't need to be done right away, and really, you know, it would be the very last thing you consider doing during the day. So that could be like writing an email to a friend or a relative or something like that. It's not to say that it's truly unimportant, but it is to say that it's not necessarily something that realistically needs to get done today. So that's basically it. I don't want to ramble too much. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed that little productivity tip, please do me a favor and hit the like button down below. Consider following wiseAss on your preferred social media networks. Oh, screwing up the outro. And yeah, that's basically it. Peace out.